Hey everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a topic that's often considered taboo, but one that's important to talk about: pornography. Many people have varying opinions on whether or not watching pornography is a good thing. Some argue that it's a harmless form of entertainment, while others claim that it can be harmful to one's mental and emotional health. So, what are the pros and cons of watching pornography? First, let's talk about the pros. One of the main arguments in favor of watching pornography is that it can be a form of sexual expression and can help people explore their own desires and interests. It can also be a way for people to learn about different types of sexual acts and can help to break down taboos around sex. On the other hand, there are also several cons to consider when it comes to watching pornography. One of the biggest concerns is that it can be addictive and can lead to compulsive behaviors. This can lead to problems in relationships and can make it difficult for individuals to form meaningful connections with others. Another concern is that pornography can be harmful to one's mental and emotional health. It can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and low self-esteem. It can also lead to unrealistic expectations about sex and can make it difficult for people to form healthy relationships. So, should you avoid watching pornography? Ultimately, the decision is up to you. But it's important to be aware of the potential risks and to make sure that you're not allowing it to negatively impact your life. If you do choose to watch pornography, be sure to do so in a healthy and balanced way. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content.